In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate draw I/O connectors in Confluence. If you want your diagrams to communicate direction and flow at a glance, a subtle animation on your connectors can make a big difference. We'll work inside the draw.io editor embedded in a Confluence page, and all you need is a diagram that already uses connectors to show relationships between shapes. Start by opening the Confluence page that contains your draw.io diagram, then open the diagram in the editor. Make sure your diagram already uses connectors. Those are the lines linking one shape to another. If you see arrows or lines between boxes, you're in good shape. Next, we'll select the connectors. In draw.io, connectors are also called edges. Open the edit menu at the top and choose Select Edges. This instantly highlights every connector in the current diagram, so you don't have to click them one by one. If nothing gets selected, double check that you really are in the diagram editor and that the lines you're using are actual connectors, not plain shapes. With all connectors selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see the format panel for styling. Find the flow animation option and click it. This applies a smooth flowing motion along your selected connectors. It's designed to be clear but not distracting, helping viewers follow the direction of movement from one step to the next. You'll see the effect immediately in the editor, and it will be visible when the page is published too. If you don't see the right panel, toggle the format panel on from the toolbar so the styling options appear. Sometimes, you'll only want to draw attention to a few key relationships rather than the entire diagram. In that case, first select just the specific connectors you want to animate. You can shift-click individual connectors or drag a selection box around them. When your chosen connectors are selected, click Flow Animation again in the right panel. Only those selected lines will animate, keeping everything else static for contrast. This is a great way to guide your audience's eye through a process without overwhelming them. That's all you need to bring your diagram to life. Open your diagram, select all edges if you want everything animated, apply flow animation, or selectively choose a few connectors and apply it just to those. Keep it consistent with your diagram's purpose, and when you're happy with the result, update your page so everyone sees the animated flow.